Wow, so they sent me these two samples of EVOXZ EVO Z1 ANC wireless earbuds for unboxing and review. Right now, it's on sale at 89.90 Singapore dollars. You can check the video description for the shop link. Let's check its highlights. Number 1. Active Noise Cancellations or ANC. The EVOXZ EVO Z1 achieves up to 30 decibels of active noise cancellations and effectively suppresses ambience for you to focus on your music, videos, or calls. ANC and Transparency Mode. It lets you control your noise according to the settings made based on your environment, creating the best audio experience for you. Environmental Noise Cancellation or ENC reduces unwanted environmental noise while strengthening sounds from human voices to ensure crystal clear and high-quality call effects. Professional Bluetooth 5.2 provides a quicker and more stable connection. 10mm graphene driver customized voice coil over dual magnet system which produces a pure and extraordinary sound quality. Long battery life, up to 9 hours playtime when fully charged, up to 40 hours playtime with charging case. With a Type-C charging port, your battery case can fully charge in 2 hours. Intuitive Smart Control supports call control, volume control, and can activate Google or Siri Assistant with a touch on the earbuds. Wireless charging, built-in wireless charging function, perfect if you already own an existing wireless charger. Compatibility, works with all iOS or Android mobile phones and PC with Bluetooth. Local purchase, orders will be packed and dropped off to logistic partners within maximum of 24 working hours. Here are the following specifications. Alright, let's unbox it.
Six and a half hours later.
Finally, got a glimpse of this sleek earbuds. So we got here twin earbuds in its charging case. Type-C charging cable, extra ear tips, and a user manual. For the warranty, EVOXZ EVO Z1 earbuds come with a warranty of 12 months. Physical damages caused by user will not be considered for exchange. For exchange, please contact them on their website. Wow, I love the blackness of these earbuds. Let me put it on. The sound quality is so profound and its noise cancellation is superb. I'm near the road and usually I can hear car horns, but with this EVOXZ EVO Z1 wireless earbuds, I can focus on what I'm listening without getting disturbed by unwanted environmental noise. I highly recommend it.